Hello everybody, if you wanna see any deleted messages from your phone, you can see it so easily. But there is a small limitation. You can see some messages even after being deleted, but you cannot see some messages at all. So keep watching the video till the end to know which messages you can see even after being deleted and which messages you cannot see. Okay, let's go. First of all, I'm gonna show you a live demo. I'm gonna delete the message from my phone. For example, look at the person message. This one, I'm gonna delete this. So to delete this message, I'll be clicking and holding for a few seconds like this. And now look at the bottom, I'm gonna click on delete. Now look at the bottom, you get two options here: cancel and move to trash. There's no any direct way to delete any message from your phone. If you delete any message from your phone, it'll be moved to the trash box. Okay, so I'm clicking on trash box. Now the first message is deleted. The deleted message is still saved on the trash box, and the recently deleted message will be remain in the trash box for the next 30 days. Now I'm gonna show you how can you see this deleted message in your trash box. First of all, open your message. Now at the top right corner, click on the three dot icon. Now click on trash. If you want to read this message, just click on it. And if you want to restore this message to your message box again, you can do that too. Just click on the message and hold for a few seconds like this. Now look at the bottom. Just click on the restore to restore this message to your message box. So this is how you can see your deleted messages on your phone. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So I'll see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.